Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today's discussion topic is article. Article, very. You think it is a very simple item, but article is not simple item. Article very confusing. Where article is not used, this is very confusing. Article. Article, there are two kinds of article. This is definite and indefinite. Definite article, this is the and indefinite an. Indefinite an. Generally, when the word starts with the consonant, then you use a. Another, when it starts with vowel, then you can use an. And when something which is fixed, which direct is that fixed, this is, then you use the. This is the fundamental of article. A, E, I, O, U. These five alphabets are vowel. Okay. When any word use with such vowel, then you use an. He is dash unhappy man. You, this is a vowel, then and you use an. It is ugly bird. Ugly, this is you, this is vowel, so you use an. But when you pronounce like you, when you pronounce like you, then you use a. In spite of its being a vowel, you use a. It is dash unique decision. Unique. Though it is a vowel, U is vowel, but it's pronounced like you. In Bengali, you. Unique. When you pronounce like you, then use, in a sort of being vowel, you use article a. He is dash university student. U is pronounced like you, then you use a. When a is pronounced, that pronounced like in Bengali ha, in like Bengali ha, then you use a. That means hotel. When a is pronounced like ha, then it is you use a. Otherwise, when not, then use an. He is dash honorable man. He is. Is here not like pronounced like ha. That sense you use here an. He is dash honor 40. Here also a is not pronounced. This is that sense you use an. You always use a before one. You always use a before one. That he needs dash 1,000 taka. That means one. You obviously use a. That means you use always a before one. Before one. Thousand, hundred, million, dozen, pair. You always use before these words a. That is before thousand, hundred, million, trillion. That always you use a. He expect a 100 taka. That means 100. That sense you use a. That sense you use a. That means you have to remind before 1,000, 100, million, dozen, pairs. You always use a. Before proper noun, no article. Proper noun, that means with the noun, this is very properly, that is directed, that is Rohim, going, Dhaka, Bangladesh, these are proper nouns. So you need not to use any article before proper noun. That Bangladesh, this is a proper noun. This is fixed. In that sense, you use Rohim is a good boy. Rohim, this is a proper noun. That sense, you use cross. You use cross. superlative degree you use superlative degree three kinds, that is positive, comparative and superlative. Positive means when no comparison. Comparative when comparison between two, and when comparison between two modes. This is superlative. So superlative, always you have to use the before superlative. Superlative. He is best. This is a good, better, best. Good is positive degree, better is comparative, and best is superlative. So as it is superlative degree, so you use the. In Bengali, joto tato, comparative degree you use, though it is comparative degree, but you use the in order to means joto tato. So dash more you learn, dash more you will gather knowledge. In Bengali, joto শিখবে ততই জ্ঞান অর্জন করবে. So it is comparative degree, but it means joto tato. It means joto tato. So you use the. Though it is comparative degree, we know before superlative degree you use the, but it is an exceptional. It is though it is comparative degree, but you use the. Dash sooner, dash better. In Bengali, joto taratari tato bhalo. Joto taratari tato bhalo. So it's a comparative degree, but you use the. So it's a article. Apparently, article it seems very simple, but it is not like that. It's a very difficult item also. And in our next class we also discuss with article. Thank you very much.